Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So question says n is the largest number whose factorial when divided by 54 leaves a remainder with recurring decimal value. Okay. What is the highest power of 10 that can completely divide n factorial? We have to find the value of n first. So now if you look at it, 54 prime factorization is 2 into 3 cube. Now if I divide any number, let's say k divided by 2 into 3 cube. If I say that this occurs, gives a recurring decimal. This is a recurring decimal. That means at least one 3 is present in the denominator. At least one 3. So to make k as large as possible, what do I need? I need at least a 2 here. So this 2 get cancelled out and a 3 square here. And whatever it is, some number being multiplied by it. If a number is like this 2 gets cancelled, this 3 square gets cancelled and I have a 3 left at the bottom. So it will become p by 3 where p does not contain 3. Okay. So this will give me a recurring decimal. So that is how the thing is. So I need a power of 2 with 3 in the numerator. This is what I need for it to be a recurring decimal. Now n factorial, we are saying, whose factorial when divided by 54 leaves a recurring decimal. So that means now n factorial by 2 into 3 cube gives me a recurring decimal. Now we know that at the maximum, to maximize n, we have to have power of 3 to be 2. Now if I take, let's say I take a number 1 factorial is only 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is the first time I encounter a 3. 3 factorial is the first time I encounter a 3. Next 3 is encountered in 6 factorial, which is 1 into 2 into 3, 4 is what? 2 square, 5, and 6 is what? 2 into 3. So 6 factorial contains 2 3's. So if I write 6 factorial at the top, one of the 3 will remain at the bottom. Then the next 3 I get at 9 factorial. But at 9 factorial, this will become 1 into 2 into 3, 4 is 2 square, then 5, 6 is 2 into 3, 7, 8 is 2 cube, and 9 is 3 square. So now how many 3's I get in 9 factorial? 1 in here, then again here 2 and 2 more. So this is 3 raised to 4 into something. 9 factorial is 3 raised to 4 into something. Now if it is 3 raised to 4 here, then all the 3's from the bottom will cancel out. I will not get a recurring decimal. Okay. So as soon as n becomes 9, you will not get a recurring decimal. So n has to be less than 9, which is the last thing which is less than 9, that is 8 over here. So that means n factorial has to be 8 factorial. So n, largest value of n such that its factorial divided by 54 gives me a recurring decimal is when n equals 8. So if you look at it, 8 factorial is what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is 2 square, 5, 6 is 2 into 3, 7 and 8 is 2 cube. If you divide this 8 factorial by 2 into 3 cube, what will happen? This 2 gets cancelled. Then there is this 3 cube. This 1 3 and 1 3 get cancelled, and there from 3 the power will become 1 because 2 3's are getting away from the numerator. So in power 3 cube will become 3 raised to 1. So I will have this 1 into 2 square into 5 into 2 into 7 into 2 cube divided by 3, which will give me a recurring decimal. Okay. So that means n is 8 over here. So what we have figured out is that n is 8. So n is 8. Now the question is, what is the highest power of 10 that can divide n factorial? Means highest power of 10 that can divide 8 factorial. Now highest power of 10, how do we figure that out? 10 is 2 into 5. Anyways, in a factorial, 2's will be more than 5's. Always. How many 5's are there in 8 factorial? Only one 5 will be there. Okay, because that is, if you look here, 8 factorial, only one 5 is coming in between. Because 10 doesn't come, the next 5 will come at 10 factorial, which is 2 into 5 then. So only 1 5 comes at 8 factorial. So that means only the power of 10 raised to 1 can completely divide it. Okay, the highest power of 10 that can completely divide it will be 1. So answer option B, 1 is the correct answer here. Okay.